In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from QuickBooks to Wave. This process is incredibly useful for those who want to consolidate their financial data seamlessly between these two popular platforms. So, let's dive right in and simplify this task for you. First, you'll need to head over to the Wave website. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page and click on Sign In. You have the option to sign in using your Google account, which is a quick and secure way to access your financial data without the hassle of remembering another set of login credentials. Once you're logged into Wave, look towards the main navigation menu and click on Sales and Payments. This section is where you're going to manage your customer invoices and payments, and it's also where you'll begin the import process. Once you're in the Sales and Payments section, go ahead and select Customers. This will lead you to the page where you can import your data. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see an option to import from CSV. Before proceeding, let's quickly touch on what you need to do in QuickBooks to prepare your data. In QuickBooks, simply select the gear icon and choose Export Data. You'll then follow the prompts to export the necessary data, which should be saved to your computer in CSV format. Make sure you extract it properly before moving back to Wave. With your QuickBooks file ready, return to Wave and click Import from CSV. You'll then see a button labeled Choose File. Click on this to open a dialog box where you can navigate your computer's files. Locate the CSV file you just exported from QuickBooks. With your file selected, it's time to upload. Click Upload and preview Customers. This step uploads your data and lets you preview what the import will look like. It's a good moment to double-check that all the information appears correct and aligns with your expectations. After you've ensured everything looks good, it's time for the final step. Click on Yes, Proceed with Import. This will finalize the process of importing your data from QuickBooks into Wave, and all your customer information should now be seamlessly integrated into your Wave account. And there you have it. You've now successfully imported your data from QuickBooks into Wave. Following these steps not only saves you time, but also keeps your financial records organized and in sync. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more useful tech and software guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.